Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers, home of the Colorado off-road trailer and our Colorado cargo trailers. This one is one of our 8.5 by 18s. This is a great unit if you guys are hauling big UTVs, side-by-sides, or just a whole lot of toys. This is not a car hauler, however. Now you guys can check all of our inventory out always at getmytrailer.com or send us an email at sales@getmytrailer.com. This one's in a silver blackout package. You can see we've got the all black diamond plate rock guard. You've got nice wrapped corners and Vinos. I apologize, it's a little bit windy. Triple tube tongue on this unit and a 3-year factory warranty. We also ship, so if you guys aren't here in Colorado, no worries, just give us a call. We ship literally every day. We can get you a shipping quote and get it delivered to your door. Side door has the RV lock and cam bar on it, so you've got double lock protection there. It does have a power package, so you have an exterior GFI outlet right there as well. Two 3,500-pound torsion spread axles with brakes on all fours, and you've got beautiful aluminum wheels. This torsion spread axle package is awesome if you guys are doing a lot of highway traveling, light fire roads, that sort of a thing. The torsion axle gives you an independent suspension under the trailer. When we spread it apart, it cuts down on wagging and swaying. And like I said, this size is a size that we personally use all the time. It's just a great setup. Now you do have a rear ramp door, of course. 7-foot interior height, so you're gonna have about 6'7" at your rear ramp door, and about 8 foot, a little over 8 foot on your interior. Insulated walls and ceiling in here. You've got it all finished out nicely with the white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. Couple of our windows, these are our bigger windows. It's a tinted lockable window, so you guys have some good versatility there. Max Air roof vent here at the back. Overhead 4-foot LED lights, plus you've got puck lights, so some versatility there. And you have an AC unit with a heat strip. So you've got some climate control. 4 D-rings, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. And then you also have your 30 amp power package with a cord right there as well. So you guys can bring 110 power in and make all your interior outlets work. It's also gonna run your AC unit. And then here is your light switches to control your interior lighting. So again, 8 foot on your interior wide. You've got 18 feet in total length from the tip of the V to the back of that ramp door. 7 foot height. Your rear ramp door is gonna be about 6'7". This trailer weighs 3,500 pounds. It's got about a 3,500 pound payload capacity, and again, a 3-year factory warranty. So give us a call, 303-688-8485. Check us out online, sales@getmytrailer.com, or just go right to getmytrailer.com. And if you're watching us on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe, and have a great day.